Hello, job seekers and career enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a deep dive into the art of mastering job interviews, a crucial skill set that can be the deciding factor in propelling your career to new heights. As we navigate through the intricacies of the interview process, you'll gain valuable insights to not only face interviews with confidence, but to shine brightly in the eyes of potential employers. Let's start with the cornerstone of success: preparation. This goes beyond the cursory glance at the company website. Dive deep into the organization's history, recent achievements, and industry trend. Knowing the company inside out not only demonstrates your dedication, but also equips you to tailor your responses effectively. Now, onto the power of first impression. Dress the part. Picture this. You walk into the interview room, exuding confidence in an attire that perfectly aligns with the company culture. Your clothing becomes an extension of your professionalism, setting a positive tone for the entire interview. Let's zoom in on a silent communicator. Body language. Your posture, gestures, and eye contact can speak volumes. Projecting confidence through positive body language not only makes you more likable, but also conveys that you are someone colleagues and clients would want to collaborate. As we venture into the heart of the interview, answering questions, remember the STAR method. This approach allows you to artfully structure your responses, painting a vivid picture of your skills through real-world situations. Crafting your answers with the STAR method showcases your ability to handle challenges effectively. Now, a skill that sets you apart as an engaged candidate: asking questions. Imagine turning the interview into a conversation where your thoughtful questions not only showcase your curiosity, but also help you evaluate if the company aligns with your career aspiration. It's a win-win scenario. Showcasing achievements is where you bring your accomplishments into the spotlight. Numbers, percentages, and tangible results transform your experiences into a compelling narrative. Your achievements become the focal point, leaving an indelible mark on the interviewer's memory. Now, let's navigate the tricky terrain of handling challenges. The ability to discuss challenges you faced in your professional journey, paired with your strategies for overcoming them, transforms you into a candidate who not only excels in good times but thrives in adversity. Follow-up is not just a courteous gesture, it's a strategic move. Sending a personalized thank you email reiterates your interest, allows you to express gratitude, and provides an opportunity to subtly reinforce why you are the perfect fit for the role. It's a post-interview finesse that shouldn't be underestimated. In conclusion, mastering job interviews is a multifaceted endeavor. It's about seamlessly integrating your preparation, communication skills, and a strategic follow-up, create an impactful narrative that resonates with potential employers. These strategies are not just formula for success, they're your secret weapons in the competitive job market. If you found these insights helpful and you're eager to delve even deeper into the art of career growth, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for a wealth of career tips and strategies. Your journey to success starts now. This is Financial Whiteboard Board.